Good morning, how are you? Today is Monday. I'm going to go to the gym just to do some stretches, some running. I just don't want to do anything heavy today. I am going to hopefully go to IKEA with my man as well because he wants to get some furniture for his office. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I felt like not coming here today. Like sometimes this is what happens. I am so tired. I ran myself into the ground. I did so much. Crazy. Yesterday, I said to myself, I am just going to watch the things that I want to watch and enjoy myself. So yesterday I watched a bit of Bridgerton, and then I watched this Amazon Prime documentary by JC Nelson from Little Mix. The documentary is called JC Nelson After Little Mix. I think it's 6 episodes. There was a part where it's joyful and there was so much of like, life is just weird sometimes, you know. The twin babies are so adorable and cute and wonderful, and I wish her all the best. It's so sad to see. It's such a wonderful documentary, I'm just going to go in now, do my workout quickly. We are done. I need to do something about myself today. I swear, I am so hungry as well that I don't even understand why I'm this hungry. I have never ever been this hungry before. It just feels like I burnt a lot of energy in the past few weeks. I swear, I have been so hungry every morning in a way where I don't even understand. Times are weird. I don't know where this world is going to. It is scary. You know what I've realized? Actually, I know this. You know, a lot of these people who tend to say repent, Jesus will arrest you. You're going to be arrested by God. God punish you. Repent. You are an evil person. I swear, they lack morality. They don't have any morals whatsoever. They don't believe in the golden rule of humanity. The God that I was taught about, the God of my ancestors, I must say, is all about love. It's all about kindness. It's all about support. It's all about empathy. It's all about compassion. It's all about loving everybody. But these people, my goodness, it just feels like every day I get surprised in a way where I don't even understand. I was literally asking somebody in my comment section of one of my videos. I said to them, is everything okay at home? Because I don't think everything is okay at home. Because if everything is okay at home, you will not be out here acting wayward. I swear, acting like a stray dog. Crazy. Even a stray dog will not act like that. Some of you need to be tied down. I swear. Some of you are just weird. My dear, let me go, Biko. In IKEA because my man wants to get some stuff for his office. That's the one, right?
Yes, I want in white.
White or black? That one? Is there a smaller one?
Yeah, there should be one.
Do you not have the measurements? This is a smaller one. Only 3 instead of 4.
Yeah.
Should we ask? This is just 1. This is 3.
There's a single one with one with a door like this.
This is double, not 3.
There should be a 3.
Should we ask? We found the things that we want. We'll go to the warehouse section to get them. I am not good at shopping like this. He made some measurements, which is good because my goodness, if this is me, baby, do we have everything? So we're just going to go and pick it up now. Okay. Good morning, how are you? It is Tuesday. How are you? New episode of Igbo Queer and Unfiltered podcast is out today. What we talked about therapy. We need therapy. Somebody just left a comment on the YouTube video because I have a YouTube channel as well for it about this Tears Nigeria thing. I didn't really get that. It just felt like they were saying therapy is something that we don't need because we have other problems. And I'm like, that sounds higgy and haga. My dear, I am not built for certain types of wahala. I'm not gonna lie. Why is it that it snowed? I thought winter has gone. There's so much snow. I need to get out of this car to clear the snow. We have to do it. So I have to get out of this car and clear this. I am cold. I should have taken my gloves. That's what I'm going to use to clear it. Let me show you. This is what I'm going to use. This is the brush side, and this is for the side where if it is extremely icy. Let me just go and clear it quickly. I've just cleared the snow. It is still freaking snowing. I need to get myself together. Especially today, I need to really work out today. I'm not going to take my camera into the gym. I do not understand how some people think. So I was on this road coming out. It's a narrow road. So depending on the angle where you are, you will need to wait for a car to drive through. This lorry was coming in. So I had to reverse like almost 100 meters to get into a corner for this lorry to go. And this other car was at the beginning of the road where this car was just supposed to wait. The car did not wait. This car drove and I was already driving and was waiting for me to go in a corner. I just stood there. I just stood my car there for them to move and then they moved. Why is it that some people are just so entitled? I don't like to complain about things like this, but sometimes people will be getting on your nerves unnecessarily because they feel so entitled and just feel like everybody should give way for them. Like the guy that I see at this gym sometimes that is wayward, that feels like they own the place with no gym etiquette whatsoever. Some of you, I don't know if you were dragged up by your parents because you're not acting like someone raised you. I am exhausted. I'm supposed to feel energized after this workout, but I'm exhausted. Good morning, how are you? It is a new day. Today is Wednesday because I have a bit of time this morning. I decided to go on TikTok and it was just early and people were already insulting me. I do not understand why people feel the need to insult me because of I'm a homosexual. For anyone that is gay, that is queer, that is LGBTQIA+, and you've seen my videos and you've seen the comments and you've seen the insults, please do not allow this affect you because some of these people, it has everything to do with them. Some of them are suffering from religious psychosis. I need to unplug this car. I said I would just get into the car quickly. I plugged the car overnight to charge because it was so low yesterday. I will unplug the car. I just had an accident. This is so crazy in a car park. This woman was about to leave. She left. I was trying to come back to go in. The back of the Tesla is dent. Really, really bad. I'm just waiting for my man to come because this is just annoying. I should have just stayed at home. I was feeling some type of way. I should have just stayed at home. This is just crazy. I should have just stayed at home. I was feeling some type of way this morning. I should have just stayed at home. That's what I would have done. What did I do? I picked up this car and drove out here. And the way this accident happened this morning, now I'm thinking of it, I reacted in a way whereby I never ever react. I don't know what made me feel so angry. If it's because of this guy came and inserted himself and say he knows the woman. Of course, there's a bit of me that is wrong from the way I drove because I was trying to cut the other woman not to go into the car park. And she, because of the way the car park is, she's supposed to be driving left, but she drove right. And normally the Teslas will beep when someone is close to you. I looked and thought I was fine, and then I went and it looked like I went in. My car was the one that was damaged. Now I'm going to spend the money that I don't have. We went to somewhere now and they checked the car. I was so angry. I was saying, oh, you can call the police. Thinking about it now, I just was very stupid, but I apologized to the guy eventually because I was saying F you, because I'm like, why are you inserting yourself? That was what my anger is. Obviously, because I went with the back, then I'm the one at fault. So I went into the gym now to work out. I just could not work out. I took off my clothes, went on the treadmill. I finished the treadmill, wanted to go on the cross trainer. I just was like, no, I don't want to do this. My day is ruined because of this. I feel so angry about this. I don't know if the insurance will be able to pay for this. Crazy. Went into the supermarket. I got some things for myself that I needed. I'm doing this and I'm so angry as I'm doing it. I got 3 Colgate toothpastes, this beard wash, and body lotion from Veleda. I just feel so angry. Good day, how are you? Hope we are good. My goodness, yesterday was Higi and Haga. I did not pick up the camera yesterday. Today is Friday. I want to see if I can get some Korean skincare product. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. We are waiting for someone because I want to paint a section of the flats. He called and said he was coming. I said to him, no, just give me an hour because I wanted to shower and get ready. Let me just go backwards. I don't know if you can see me so you can see my outfit. I'm going to take a jacket anyway. So I'm wearing these beanies and all the Bershka pants. Chelsea boot is from Eco Shoes and I have my tote bag from Rains. We eventually finished the painting. So he did the painting of the room, which is really, really good. You know what I forgot? I think when I was talking about my outfit, I didn't mention my roll neck, did I? I think I did I? Okay, it just came to my mind. So I want to get some skincare products from Korean Beauty and then we will go into the shops where we get our weekly snacks and groceries to get some snacks. My energy is so low. I don't know why I'm falling asleep. What's so really annoying is that I just could not get enough footage the way I would have wanted because it's so cramped in there. Their store is really, really small, extremely small. I have some cantuccini left. I love cantuccini. This is another organic store that we come to. Their cantuccini is cheaper here, so I'm going to get 2 more. I'm going to get one of this and one of this. Can I put the cantuccini in the basket?
Yes.
Why? Do you want to get chocolate? Let's start with Anua. I got a cleanser and a toner. This is a cleanser and this is a toner. These are so freaking good. Anua is really, really good. I love Anua skincare. This shampoo from Lador. We want our skin to be even. I got this galactomyces. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this wrongly. If I do apologize. And pure vitamin C glow serum, brightening serum from Some By Me. I love Some By Me products. I use the AHA Tricyca toner pads. It has been really, really kind to my skin. Try and trusted vitamin C from Purito. I really, really love this. She gave me a few samples. So she gave me this bamboo moisture and fresh face mask sheet from It's Skin, this brightening serum. I'm going to use this for my travels anyway because of the size. This is an SPF. There's a few other samples from Frudia. There's 3. So those are the things I got from Korean skincare. Thank you so much for spending the week with me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining the movement for visibility and representation. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next vlog.